Making a not to-do list. Yes, the opposite of the to-do list.
This is Success. Yes or yes. All about succeeding in life, career, and anything in between.
Welcome to Success, Yes or Yes. This is your friend, Kuya Manzano, from the Philippines, all over at the end of the world, wherever this is, the end of the map. So, normally, people do a lot of to-do lists, yeah? In my case, my to-do list is growing and growing every day and never gets done. Oh, well, that's another problem as an ADHDer. The thing is, we should also have a not to-do list. And that way, our to-do list won't be growing and growing the whole time. Hopefully, at least not as much. What to put in that to-do, in the not to-do list? You can make 3 columns. I have here 3 columns, which are automate, delegate, and eliminate. Things you're not good at. Things that are not moving the needle forward. Because guess what? We have a very limited time. That's the truth. Even during pandemic times, I have less time than ever. I'm busier than ever. I don't know how people have time to get bored. So, 3 columns of things that you don't do well, you don't like, you don't enjoy, you don't have passion for. Therefore, you're never going to be very good at them. Yeah. Another chapter will go through the needle movers, things that really matter if you do them. But the needle movers, those are the ones that need you. The ones that if you personally put the time, then you'll see a big outcome out of it. But there's many things, you see, we do during the day that we can be very busy. And I'm talking to myself here. We can be very, very, very busy, but that busyness doesn't mean productivity. Yeah? There's always something to do. Even maybe wash the kitchen. But is that productive? Is that the best use of your time? Or can you delegate that? Can you give it to other person because you can do something where you're more productive? Yeah? So, things to automate, things to delegate, and things to eliminate. You take 5 minutes, 10 minutes and make a list and then decide what you can move from one to the other. For example, things I want to automate, I need to automate is management of businesses. I'm good at creating businesses. I'm a creative person. I have initiative. I have the energy to start and to think and to create the system. But then I'm not good at operating. I'm not good at managing. So I need to automate my income. Through investments, I need passive income. I need to delegate the operations to other people, hiring a manager. Yeah, that's delegation. I need to eliminate other things that I do daily. You know, it's time wasters. Like probably scrolling social media for 1 hour. Yeah, scroll it for 5 minutes. That's good enough. But for 1 hour, and I do that daily. Yes, sometimes for hours, plural. So there. By doing this not to do list, you realize what things are your time wasters and you're doing a poor job in anyways. Yeah. My case also, delegate the cooking, delegate the grocery because it's something I don't enjoy. I don't enjoy the grocery. I don't enjoy cooking. So better let someone who enjoys it do it and I'll enjoy eating it. Ha ha ha. How about that? If you can, if it's possible, do what you can. Baby steps. Pasito a pasito. Suave suavecito. Yeah, that's what pasito a pasito means. Baby step by baby step. All right, so this is a short video. See you next week. I love you. Kuya Manzano here. Follow in every social media network. Success, Yes or Yes, and subscribe to this channel. Share it with someone who can benefit from it. See ya.
This is Success. Yes or yes. All about succeeding in life, career, and anything in between.